Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are loading up our repeat customer that bought all the hay. We are using the WR long hay grappler, loading up 10 bales at a time. There's my lovely wife, dropped a little stack. She is 100% good at helping us out. She does more than her share here at the farm. She doesn't palpate cows, but she can move some hay and give some orders. We will be cutting some grass today. It is really nice grass. I've been checking it every other day to make sure that we are still in a fine grade for horses. It's time. If weather permits, I got to look at the weather guessers, look at our percentages. I'd hate to cut this grass and let it get wet, so I need to make sure that we are spot on with the weather. Like I said, we're loading up a customer. He takes 200 bales at a time. We had figured 160, but he ended up taking 200 bales at a time, which worked out really well for us. Because we're moving 10 bales at a time, it's easy to keep track of how much we're stacking and how much we're moving. All I can say, guys, is this WR long hay grappler has really come in handy. If somebody's in a big rush and they want to load by hand, they're more than welcome to. I've had my share of bucking bales, and I don't like doing it, and if I have to, I will, but that's what we bought this grappler for, so that we don't have to be moving hay by hand. I'm an older guy, and moving hay by hand is not fun, guys. Welcome back, guys. We're out here bringing a big Scooby snack for the cattle. I have them separated on a separate pasture. So this little grass isn't doing too bad. Got watered a few days ago. Hey, baby. Little calf is growing real fast. I got one injured cow here. She may have been bitten by a rattlesnake. As you can tell, I irrigated one pan and fertilized that one pan. We're going to be moving them over to the next pan, but for right now, I'm bringing in a bull next week. We'll see how that guy. We're going to breed some F1 Wagyu. We should be good with the sale of those cattle. I'd seen where one of the cows had a swollen foot. We do have rattlesnakes out here. Hey, pretty girl. This cow right here, she's pretty swollen. Right there. I'll keep an eye on that, but I got to look at it for the next few days. It's pretty swollen. She's moving it, so I know it's not broken. So we'll see how that goes. As you can tell, the cows aren't suffering there. They got a nice coat on them. I got one or two we wormed last week. I should have filmed that. So we're doing all right. So we're going to give these girls some Conceptate, Vitafirm. Helps them with all their, I guess, future pregnancy needs, and helps them come into heat, and helps them out with minerals and all. So that's what we're going to feed these girls. So they'll lick it up. They'll hit it hard for the first 2 days. I'll bring another 50-pound bag. Hey, baby. You keep growing. Hey, pretty girl.